Welcome everyone to another Founderhood demo where we are going to examine the application solution of Founderhood. First of all, let's go ahead and check the application form for your program. If you go on the Applications Form tab, you can now customize and create your own application form for your programs. You can first check the form description when you can provide instructions for all the founders that want to apply for your program. As you can see, you can create different sections and fields for your form. By clicking on Add Section, you can create your own new section. You can add also a description of that section. And by clicking on the field settings, you can add a new condition for that section. For example, you can select that when another field of the form is equal to something, then this specific section will be visible to the founder. By creating your own conditions, you can create a really customized form based on your program's needs. On a similar sense, you can add new fields to your form, like a simple single line text, where you can also put some extra settings on the field settings and insert as well more conditions for this specific field. After you're done, go ahead and save your form. Now you can preview your form by clicking on this button, where you will first see the description of the form, and then you will be able to see the actual fields and sections of the form. As you can see here, the condition that we put is working. Now, to further customize your application process, go on the Settings button on your bar. By clicking on the Phases tab, you can create more application phases for your evaluation process by simply putting the title and clicking on the new phase, and this will help you structure more your evaluation process of all the applications that you receive. Furthermore, if you go to the Evaluation tab, first, you are able to assign specific evaluators to specific applications by just simply going on the evaluator that you have on your program and assigning to them specific startups. If you want to give further instructions and guidelines to your evaluators, you simply put them on the evaluator's instructions field and save it. By clicking on the Send an Invitation blue button on your bottom left corner of your screen, you can send an invitation to an evaluator of your program by simply putting their email. Now, if you go to the Criteria tab, you can define here specifically all the criteria that you want to have in your application process and also customize the weights of its criteria. After you received all your applications, you can find them on the All Applications tab. Here you can find specific information about each application, but also check the status of every application. For example, you have the default options like a rejected application, a passed application, or an application that needs more documents, and you can also add more statuses by customizing them right here, and as you can see, you have added a new status. To delete it, you click on Manage Statuses and delete the extra options that you put. To check a specific application in detail, all you have to do is click right here and view the application. On the left side, you can view the entire application of the startup, and on the right side, as an organizer or an evaluator, you can grade the application, discuss with the other evaluators, or leave some feedback to the startup. For example, here, you can grade the specific criteria. You can start discussions with the other evaluators or leave some notes for yourself regarding the application. And from here, you can give direct feedback to the startup regarding their application. And last but not least, you can check how the other evaluators have graded their own application. You can check the profile of the startup by clicking here, and this will redirect you to the profile of the startup in Founderhood. You can also, for your own convenience, export the application as a PDF. Now, if you go on the Applicants tab, you can see all the individuals that have applied in your program. To communicate with all the founders that have applied, you can go on the email on your sidebar, check the specific application phase, which means all the startups that are in a specific application phase. Select a template that you have created inside Founderhood, for example, these acceptance emails, which you can also personalize through the personalization tags that Founderhood offers to you, and go ahead and send it. That was all that Founderhood has to offer regarding the application process of your programs. For more demo videos of Founderhood, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and see all the different options that Founderhood has to offer to you.